What's up, guys? Welcome to, well, the first day of no school for the girls. Friday, and we are off. We are off to Houston. We are going to an Astros game. Haley and I have been looking forward to this for a long time. So we're pretty pumped. On Friday nights, they do fireworks after the game, so that's always cool. So at least Macy can enjoy that. She can enjoy some fireworks.
Right.
Right, Macy? Macy's not a huge sports fan. But maybe there will be chocolate there and she can be happy, right, Macy? Alright, so we're still in the middle of our friendly competition with our 3Bs. Only a few days are left, and then we're gonna tally the score and find out who wins. Who sent more subs over to the other person. So we need your help. Let them tell you a little bit more about it.
What's up, guys? We are R3Bs. Well, we have one B here. This is Benjamin. We also have Brooke and Blake. But yeah, we are in a friendly competition. We're gonna be tracking our subscriber count for the next week. And if you guys wanna see the Greers get slimed and win, come over to R3Bs, hit our subscribe button, and also leave a comment on our latest video telling us that you come over from the Greers, and we'll reply to you. You guys got this.
Okay guys, so we need your help. Head over there, give them a sub, put in the comments, road trip to slime, because we're on a road trip. We're gonna win, so we're gonna get slime, so road trip to slime. Go ahead and put that in their latest video. Bahama Bucks.
They still have foreheads.
Oh, they do, don't they? That's crazy. They're all the way up at the top.
You're like, lemonade, strawberry, lemonade.
What you got, Macy?
Pretzel. And hot dog. And just keep it up, and then we have a special video for 100,000 subscribers, so yeah, look forward to that.
Coming your 2017 Houston Astros.
There goes the train. finished the game. Did we win? Where's Macy at? Did you have something to eat? Get ice cream?
They're filming it.
Oh. So they're opening up the roof and then we have fireworks. Did you have fun?
Yeah, that was
a good
fun.
time?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
Woo!
That? But the home run.
Oh yeah, I caught it on film.
You got it on film?
Yep.
Awesome. What was your favorite part?
Getting ice cream.
What?
Ice cream.
Getting ice cream? We have ice cream at home.
Ice cream.
Oh, Chas, what was your favorite part?
Home run.
Home run that you missed?
I don't know, maybe the
Oh no, you got the.
fireworks.
Oh, you got the second home run. Fireworks. It's not often that you're eye level with fireworks.
I did the perfect seat.
We did.
Center.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Here's my hat motions.
Oh, I like that hat, man.
Normal.
That is nice.
That's what I got.
I like that.
So, it's normal.
I agree. Fireworks. I'm gonna have to say my favorite part was the win. Second favorite, maybe the home run, and then thanks. The home run and the fireworks. That was awesome.